Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to view recently installed drivers by Windows 10. Actually Windows 10 installs drivers automatically and they keep history for 10 days. For 90 days. And if you are getting any issues with some of or any of your hardware component and you suspect that it is due to drivers, then you can find if it has been recently updated on your Windows 10. To find out which drivers has been recently updated within 3 months, all you need to do first open the settings app by pressing Windows plus I key on the keyboard or right click on the start button and select here settings. This will also open settings. Then click on update and security. After that select Windows Update. On the right click on view update history. Here on the top you will find update history. For quality updates scroll down and you will see driver updates. Clicking on it you can see all the drivers which have been installed on your computer recently, including its version and date of installation. Thank you guys. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel Gear Up Windows, do hurry up. A lot of new tutorials are awaiting for you. Thank you. See you in the next video.